Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm gonna be doing this red cheek and freckles makeup look, and if you are interested, please keep on watching.
I need you back on it, girl. Riding like a pony, girl. It's all yours, baby. It's all yours, baby. Don't think I'm cheating on you, girl. Don't think I'm creeping on you.
So I'm gonna prime my eye with this concealer. And blend it in with this blending brush. Next, I'm gonna use this palette called Rose All Day, and I'm gonna take this hot pink color. Next, I'm gonna take this Huda eyeshadow palette and I'm gonna go in with this color called Oud. Now I'm gonna take this palette called Beautiful Products and I'm gonna take this shimmer green eyeshadow. From the same palette, I'm gonna take this orange color. So now I'm going in with this purple color. I'm gonna use this Way to Glow highlighter to highlight underneath the brow. Today I'm gonna wear these lashes called Wildcat, and they came with the wig I bought from AliExpress. Next, I'm gonna use my favorite Revlon Color Stay foundation in color Caramel. going to highlight with Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation plus concealer in color caramel. So to set that concealer, I'm going in with this Benign setting powder in color banana. Contouring with Ismay concealer in color Toast. Next, I'm taking my favorite Maybelline pressed powder in color caramel number 330 and just slightly dust the powder all over my face to give that natural look. So now to do the red cheeks, I'm gonna take the same hot pink eyeshadow from that Rose All Day palette and applying it on my cheeks, including my nose. To draw my freckles, I'm going to use this brown eyeliner and put little random dots where I think I need in nose area. I'm taking the same way to glue highlighter to highlight my cheekbones and my nose. To finish the face, I'm using NYX Matte Finish Spray. This is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye.